Greetings to beautiful people watching us, and I want to thank you for your interest. I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to Kajansi Animal Farm. And Kajansi Animal Farm is located in Camborough, 3.5 kilometers from Kajansi town. Again, the farm is located near Kajansi airfield. Today, we are going to talk about Piggery project here at the farm. What I can tell people who are watching us, you don't need to first save a lot of money to start piggery farming. For example, like at Kajansi Animal Farm, we didn't first buy many salts or boas. We just bought 2 salts and 1 boa.
But I can tell you, in just a short period of time, we have a lot of pigs here.
So you start with what you have. Maybe another thing you can put in mind when you begin piggery project, you need space. You need where to put your pigs. Again, you have to consider the type of breed or which type of pig you need to buy. Again, what you need at the farm, you need just feeds, and these feeds you don't need to use expensive ones. You can use local feeds, our local feeds. Now, let me highlight on the types of breeds we have at the farm. Here at the farm, we decided to choose large white and Camborough. And of course, with some reasons why we decided to choose those ones. For example, like large weight, it has a high production of milk, which is good for the piglets. Again, large weight, it produces high quality of pork and bacon. And again, the best thing with large weight, it is huge in size, which is also good. It is huge with less fats. Then when we come to Camborough, it is also very good. It has a high libido, meaning it takes a very short time to go on heat after giving birth. It takes a very short time. Again, the best thing of Camborough, when you feed Camborough very well when it is pregnant, it can give you a lot of piglets. Again, what I can talk about Camborough, it has a good conversion ratio. Here it means the food it takes in, it converts it very fast into weight or mass. That's enough for today. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell